Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sheeroh and I create these amazing recipes, and please consider subscribing and joining the family. So today I'm showing you how to make these chocolate and walnut brownies. So to start us off, we will chop 270 grams of dark chocolate compound, and it's really good to enhance the chocolate taste. And I was cutting them into sizable pieces, as you can see. After that, 1 cup of walnut, again cut them into sizable pieces. Then 400 grams of sugar. I put mine in the blender to just powder it because you don't want to have that sugar grainy taste in your mouth when you're eating the brownie, so powdering it a little bit helps. And then put your 226 grams of butter in the microwave to soften it, or rather to melt it. After it's all melted, it's time to now assemble the brownie, and we add 75 grams of cocoa powder and make sure you sift it to just make sure that the lumps don't go in. And then it's time to add the sugar, 400 grams that we powdered before, and then 1 teaspoon of instant coffee or espresso powder if you like, to just enhance the chocolate taste. But if you don't like the caffeine and all that stuff, you can leave it. So I use the whisk first because I don't want the electric mixer just flying everything everywhere, so sometimes I start with it and then mix until the sugar is dissolved. Then I added my 3 eggs, as you can see, one by one. You can add them all together, it's fine, and then continue mixing. Make sure you scrape the bowl to make sure everything is well combined at the bottom. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and half a teaspoon of salt. Salt gives a very good contrast when you're having sweet stuff, so if you add a little bit of salt, it helps you taste the contrast, so which is really good. So, and continue mixing. When all the sugar is dissolved, it's time to add your all-purpose flour, and we go in with 120. And for this one, we are not over combining, and because of that, we use this hand spatula or just a whisk to combine everything. And then you add 1 cup of walnuts and half of the chocolate compound that we had made at the beginning, and the rest of it I'm going to show you where we are adding it, and hand combine it to just avoid over mixing. Right, and then put a parchment paper on your baking sheet and also butter the sides of the baking sheet to just make sure it comes out all right. And then at this point, also make sure you're preheating your oven at 350 F or 176 degrees C if you like. And we are going to pop our butter. Okay, after we spread it, we are going to pop our butter into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes at 176 degrees Celsius. But before then, the leftover chocolate compound, this is where we put it on top of our butter and then pop the thing into the oven. 35 to 40 minutes, sorry, we'll be back. And this is the result. The brownie is so delicious. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.